Hi guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. If you guys are new here, I like to do makeup tutorials, reviews, challenges, or just whatever that may be. Alrighty guys, I know, I already have my foundation on, bronzer. Let's face it, I'm no James Charles, Nika Tutorials, or even Jeffree Star to have all those lipsticks to use on as my foundation. So for this, I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow, blush, and lips using lipsticks. Let's get started. I'm first gonna apply Kylie Cosmetics Dulce K as our transition color. I'm gonna apply a little bit on here. And with my blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on our crease. This consistency is so drying, guys, so you're gonna have to blend as fast as you can, that way it doesn't dry on you. Next, I'm gonna take Carnivorous from MAC and applying that once again on here. I'm gonna be applying this on the outer V and just bringing it inwards. Make sure you're applying a little at a time, but blending it as fast as you can. Now I'm gonna take Kylie Cosmetics Dead of the Night Liquid Matte Lipstick and just apply it on the outer corner. The secret, guys, is starting a little at a time. That way you won't have a hard time blending everything out later on. And I'm just using the same brush that I used the red liquid matte. Oh no, I think this liquid matte is dried out. Oh, I can still see it. I know this challenge has been out for a while, but James Charles just recently did it, so I thought, why not, you know, let's try it too. I'm just applying a little at a time. Would you guys be interested in me doing a more affordable makeup looks? If you guys think that's a great idea, let me know in the comments down below. And now that we are done deepening the outer V, I'm gonna take Lime Crime's Diamond Crushers in the shade Lit to apply it on our lid. Guys, if you have this is so perfect as an eyeshadow too, because it has chunks of glitters in it. And I also love applying this on top of my lipstick. Alrighty guys, I kind of like it. We're now gonna take the red liquid matte that I apply on the crease and apply that on the lower lash line. Again, with a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna apply a small amount first and just add if I need to. And I'm kind of dragging it lower than I would normally would. That way it gives you a little bit more of drama. And I'm just dragging it a little bit more on the outside to elongate my eyes. I'm now gonna take Dead of the Night from Kylie Cosmetics and just apply that on my waterline, focusing it more just on the outer side. You guys can definitely drag it in, but since I have smaller eyes, I don't want my eyes to look even smaller, so I'm just focusing it on the outer corners. And I'm also taking that black liquid matte lipstick and just apply it as my eyeliner. I'm gonna take a little bit of Lime Crime's Diamond Crushers and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. Onto our blush, I'm gonna be using Uncuffed from Fenty Beauty with NARS blush brush. I think this is gonna be perfect for the cheeks since the consistency of this is a little runny. Oh my gosh. It is a little blotchy, but we gotta move on. So I'm gonna be taking this lip gloss in Sugar Coat from MAC and just apply this as my highlight. Now onto our lips, I'm gonna be using Classic K from KKW Beauty and just apply that on my lips. I'm gonna be applying a gloss on top of this, and this one is from the Patrick Star collaboration with MAC. I'll be applying my lashes off camera, and once I'm done, I'll be right back for our final look. Alrighty guys, here's our final look. I think it's not that bad, and the fact that I didn't even apply a primer, I think it's holding up pretty well. Let me know if you guys would actually try this and wear it outside. I'm curious to know if this is actually gonna last throughout the day. Maybe we'll do a separate video on that one. Anyways guys, that's it for our video today. If you enjoyed this makeup challenge, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. There's gonna be more videos to come. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram right over here. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.